Hi everyone, this is our mock artist education. Mock artist education will give you new thoughts and idea how to develop your idea. And today's topic is will be confidence. How to build up your confidence. And when we start speaking English and when we learn speaking English, then we need more and more confidence. Confidence is very important. Confidence and body movement, these things. And when we need and why we need our confidence means speaking English is a challenge for us. When you say something is a challenge for us, why many people and many people say to us and we hear their mockery words. They laugh at us. Why? He did not know English, but they listened and they say to us, you learn English, your English is good, you are very good English speaker. This is called mockery word. That time, how to manage your mind, and I will say you that time I have some interesting quotes and you say and you learn this words, and you remember this quotes like people hate the truth, luckily truth does not care. I say again, people hate the truth, luckily truth does not care. And another quote is, people hate the people throw stone at you. People throw stone at you. You don't throw them back. You collect them and build an empire. I say again, when many people, when your uh, opposite people and negative people, when they are say your English is good, you are good speaker, you will be good speaker, then that time you say that time you will say, people will throw stone at you, you don't throw them back, you collect them and build an empire. Then your confidence level will be created. We don't talk about the other people needs. We talk about our own needs. I say again, we don't talk about other needs. We talk about own our needs. So to learn English, you have to speak English. I know you know lot of grammar, you know lot of sentences. I know you know lot of grammar rules, lot of words, but does not matter how many kinds of know you. It is does not, and it is matter when and where you use your words. This is matter. Now I give you an example of when I say, some people can be say to us, your words is not good, your pronunciation is not good. Nothing, don't matter. uh, don't worry, you say something. First you say something, and your confidence how to build up. This is confidence level will build up. Like I will give you some uh, example. Like you brought a dress, and you put in the closet closet. So what would be? I brought a dress and I put into my closet. But not. I bought a dress, I bought a dress and I use and I wear this dress. I will wear this dress. This meaning I bought a dress. I have a buy a dress. So if you like this video, like and subscribe and hit the bell icon, and uh, I hope you learn something new. And Tata and bye bye, goodbye.